Using our Skyrover S1, we captured video with and without our ND filter on. Do ND filters really make a difference in video quality? We purchased this set of ND filters on Amazon. We'll be sure to leave the link in the description. Be sure to stick around to the end of the video to see if you can figure out which footage was shot using the ND filters versus which shots were taken using the auto exposure feature built into the drone. Do ND filters make that big of a difference? If you guessed the drone A footage was shot using the auto exposure feature built into the drone, then you got it right. Now that you know the drone footage from option B was shot using the ND filter, you can rewatch the video and see if you can really tell the difference. Do ND filters really make a difference? Be sure to go down in the comments and let us know what you think.